Hey guys, I am checking on one of my latest rehabs here. We call it the Airforce house because it's right by the base, but it's coming along really well. We had to change the floor plan a little bit. So you can see the wall was moved. The painting just got finished here. We rounded out for some can lights. This is gonna be the new kitchen. It did not exist here before. What we did is I created a new master suite here. It did not exist. This was just like a room like this. So what I did is I converted a laundry room and gave me some more space for a master bathroom and kind of a walk-in closet. It's not huge, but it makes this a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom. I really like the paint color here. So all this floor will be gone. And this is kind of like the game room. It's huge. You got TV in here, mini split. It's gigantic. You can put pool table in here. This is future laundry room. I moved it, I just turned it around. And then you got a ton of storage space here. So huge property that will be a short-term rental here. It'll be done in approximately 2 weeks, which in contractor language, that means a month. Stay tuned.